Hello, I'm Bastian Hoffmann. Today I want to show you how to turn your workplace into a sheet of paper. So let's take a look at the materials. You will need a workplace. I will use mine, a typical desk chair combination, but others are possible. A screen, a wood chipper, a plastic container, an axe, a blender, a plastic sheet, a rack, and for safety earmuffs, goggles and gloves. The first step is to turn your workplace into small pieces. In order to catch the shredded pieces, I covered the room with a plastic sheet. The shredding takes some time, but finally the workplace is turned into small pieces. Now we're prepared for the second step. It requires a pulp made out of the workplace mixed with water. For that, I will use this blender. To get the pulp in a soupy consistency, I would recommend to blend on high level. The blender is working quite well. I turned the workplace into a smoothie pulp. Finally, it's time for the last step. We make paper. For that, I use this screen. One day is gone, the paper sheet should be dry. Now it's time to see the final result. The exciting moment. And here it is, the finished sheet of paper. in a typical size, nice shape and color. But keep in mind, the color of your workplace will affect the look of the later paper sheet. Have fun to turn your workplace into a sheet of paper. Thanks for your attention and see you next time.